Hey Unique fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing amazing emotionally, mentally, physically, and spiritually. By the time this video is posted, Thanksgiving will have already passed, so I hope everyone who celebrates Thanksgiving had a safe and wonderful holiday. Now let's go ahead and dive right on into how I achieved my large box braids. Disclaimer, I am not a professional licensed hairstylist. I am simply just showing you how I achieve my braids in case you would also like to attempt this style, and I'm going to do my best to explain step by step. I have already prepped my hair for this protective style, so on freshly blown out hair, I'm starting by sectioning out all of my hair. I am doing square sections, however, feel free to do whatever shape you prefer. Since these are knotless, you can use rubber bands coated in oil or just skinny hair ties. I'm using black hair ties from my local beauty supply. It just creates less tension on my scalp, allowing my hair to breathe, continue to grow, and makes for an easy takedown. So I do prefer this method.
Pretty fine girl and have a pretty fine waist on her. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good twist on her. Ha! She feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha! She's feeling my place. She want to be with me.
Before adding the braiding hair to my natural hair, I'm adding some extra moisture to each section using the I Am DoubleButter Cream. I love this stuff, you all. It's so creamy and you only need to use just a small amount.
See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man. Nah 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 nah. Ginger me.
After moisturizing my hair, I'm sectioning out my braiding hair. I'm using Sensationnel's pre-stretched Ruwa, I know I'm saying that wrong, Ruwa 24-inch braiding hair in the color 1B. 6 bundles came to a package. I purchased 2 just in case, but I only ended up using 1 full package and 1.5 bundles from the second bag. So I used a total of about 8 bundles of hair, just as a reference. Now I do have a larger head, so 1 package might be perfectly fine for you, just depending on how large you want to make your braids. For sectioning my braiding hair, I'm taking 1 full bundle, splitting it in half to give me 2 smaller bundles, and then splitting each smaller bundle in half to give me a total of 4 pieces or braids per full bundle. Taking one of those 4 pieces, I split one end and wrap that piece around the hair about 2 to 3 times to form a rope-like structure. At this point, you should have 3 strands of hair. Keeping each strand separated, I'm binding my natural hair with the middle piece of braiding hair and beginning to do a normal braid. I am braiding down as far as I can, but I know some people do like to leave the ends undone. Completely up to you. So again, I'm splitting the bundle evenly 4 times, taking 1 piece, holding it in the middle with one hand, and with my other hand, I'm splitting one end to use as my 3rd strand, wrapping it around 2 to 3 times in the middle, and then braiding it into my natural hair. I'm repeating these steps for each section of hair, but I am going to fast forward so this video isn't an hour long.
Baby, you know it's okay. You're a pretty fine girl and have a pretty fine waist on her. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good twist on her. Ha! She's feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha! She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Bakachuku Makagini, Osofu Mipe, Urukweni, Chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah 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 nah. Make you ginger me. In the house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist so when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. In the house, they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah 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 nah. Body baby, his body baby. Oh, let go. Ha, ha. Oh na na. Bum 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 bum. Oh na na. Na 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 na. Oh na na. Bum 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 bum. Oh na na. Na na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on show name. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Nah. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Baka chukum baka gini, oh suffer me pay a ni chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah 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 nah. Make you ginger me. In the house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist so when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. In the house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah 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 nah. body, baby. Oh, let go. Oh, na na. Bum 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 oi. Oh, na na. Na 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 na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 oi. Oh, na 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 na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on show name. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. Oh, something me pay. Oh, Gigi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way.
Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she.
My braids are done. So now I am going to seal my ends with boiling hot water. Please be very, very careful during this step, as the water can burn you if any spills. So I have a towel laying over me just to make sure it catches any hot water dripping from my braids and to tap my braids dry.
It's the DJ play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl there, and we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist so when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me, all the ladies in the house they want to ginger me.
Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man.
We're almost done, y'all, I promise. Next, I'm going to oil my scalp with the Wild Growth Hair Oil.
For a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
Hands in the air. Hey. Let me see your hands in the air. Hey. Hey.
You can be done here, but I am going a little bit further and lastly locking in everything with some Lottabody foaming mousse and trimming any straggling hairs.
Baby, his body, baby. Oh, let go. Oh, na na. Bum 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 oi. Oh, na na. Na 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 na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 oi. Oh, na 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 na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on show name. Baby, you know it's okay.
Now I am just styling accordingly, and that's it, y'all. It turned out super cute. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to make sure you're notified of any of my uploads. Until next time, let me know if you try out this style and connect with me on Instagram at uniquelylex for further content. I'll see y'all in my next video.